Hello guys, today we'll talk about a new phone. This phone is Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus. Before begin, don't forget to do like and subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell to receive all videos. Number 1. The body. The body here come with length 161.4 mm, width 74.2 mm, thickness 8.9 mm, and its weight 204.5 gram. Number 2. The screen. The screen type here is AMOLED with size 6.67 inches. Display screen ratio 89.7%. Come with Protect Glass Corning Gorilla Glass and come with refresh rate 120 Hz. Very smooth brightness up to 1800 nits and come with water resistance IP68 for distance 1.5 meter for a 30 minutes and exposed to you 68 billion colors. Number 3. The processor. The processor here is Dimensity 7200 Ultra 4 nanometer. This is good processor, very close in battery life to the processor Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, but in performance to Snapdragon 865. This means you can play games as PUBG Mobile smooth, 60 FPS or Ultra, and same thing as in a game Call of Duty and other games, and the speakers here are stereo and very high. Number 4. The camera. There are 3 camera in the back. The first camera here is wide 200 megapixel, have flagship sensor, come with lens slot 1.7. Second camera here 8 megapixel ultra wide with lens slot 2.2 with angle 120 degree. The third camera 2 megapixel macro, come with lens slot 2.4. You can take a beautiful photo as you see by this camera. This camera record video 8K 24 frames per second, 4K 30 frames per second, or 1080 from 30 frames per second to 120 FPS. But the front camera 16 megapixel record video 1080 30 fps to 60 frames per second only. Number 5. The battery. The battery here is 5000 mAh. Here this battery is very big and its USB is Type-C 2.0 and its charger here is 120 watt charge in 19 minutes only. Number 6. The price. The price of Redmi 13 Pro Plus phone version 12GB RAM / 256GB storage, $300. Thank you to watch to the end of the video. Don't forget to do like and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.